decided that we would like to upscale, renovate our old bathroom that was original where the house was built here in the 50s. The way we found them was that they did a whole apartment in our building for friends. And when I saw the quality of work that Knockout had done, I decided not even look for anybody else. This was very, very good. So other than bragging about it and sending pictures and showing what we went through, it is just a wonderful thing to step into this space and to see what a small place, a space can become when you have good planning and great materials.